In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to download Equity Bank statement. So whether you are from Kenya, Uganda, South Sudan, or Tanzania, and you're using Equity Bank, this step will help you download your bank statement. So there are two methods to get your bank statement. The first one is by using the Equity mobile app, which is a easy app. It is called the Easy app. The Equity mobile app, also known as Easy app, you can just download it from the Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone. After downloading it, if you're not registered, just make registration and then log in. Then on the login page, after login, you just on the balance section, you can just go to the balance section, and also you'll find the way to download your bank statement. But another method is by using the USSD code. You can use USSD code to check your balance or download your bank statement. So if you're from Kenya, just dial *247# and then follow all the prompts, and you'll be able to download your bank statement. Or the simplest one is by using the Equity mobile app. So just download it. After login, you'll be able to download your bank statement just from the app. You'll just see it after login. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.